Hi, my name is Bobbie Larson. I am a wellness business consultant. After one session of working with Natalie, I had never experienced someone going so deeply, so quickly to my inner child wounds and pulling them out, helping me work through the different tools that I would need to get stronger and better at healing myself. But I was also very aware that I had a long way to go. So as soon as the I Am Courage program came up, I was on board because I'm at a point in my midlife and in my career and in my just overall existence where I felt I really needed to go through and work through a lot of stuff. And so it just came out up at this just serendipitous moment. After that program, I found a whole new ability to trust my intuition, to speak my mind, to hold space for myself as the parent that I always needed, as 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 part of a community. I was able to find people to connect with. And then we can now be ongoing support for each other because there's a lot of vulnerability that comes up. And when you find a group of people to be vulnerable around, it keeps you feeling safe and keeps the progress coming. So, I love Natalie. Thank you so much for this. And if you are out there just considering, you're not, you have no choice. You have to just sign up. It's going to change your life for so much for the better. So thank you so much.